Hello and welcome students. Today I have come up with a new topic, nutrition in animals. In the previous chapter we have learnt that green plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Unlike green plants, animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. We know that all organisms, including humans, need food for growth, for repairing damaged parts of their bodies, and for obtaining energy to carry out life processes. Animal nutrition is a process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption, and utilization in the body. So there are 5 main steps in process of nutrition in animals. These steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. So first is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Animals use various ways to ingest food. Ingestion of food is taking in food. So like a human intake food by their hands, ruminants directly by their mouth, amoeba use pseudopodia, and paramecium use cilia. We will discuss about it later. So next is digestion. After ingestion, digestion step comes. So what is digestion? The process of breaking down complex food into simpler substance is called digestion. After digestion, absorption comes. The process by which the digested food moves into the blood and cells of body is called absorption. After absorption, assimilation comes. That tells us what happened absorbed food. So the process by which the absorbed food is used by the body to generate energy and carry out its life functions is called assimilation. Life functions like digestion, reproduction, respiration, and next is egestion. The process by which the undigested food and waste is sent out of the body is called egestion. Means process by which waste products sent out of the body is called egestion. Next topic is nutrition in amoeba. Actually, in the ingestion topic, we have discussed that amoeba takes food with the help of pseudopodia. So we will learn about it. This is amoeba. It is a unicellular organism. It is found in water, dirty water. So you can see here its shape. Actually, it doesn't have a definite shape, but it is its body and it is a nucleus. So in next diagram, just see, this is a food particle and this is the body of amoeba. It is going to take in this food particle. That's why this projection you can see, it is known as pseudopodia. In the next, just see, pseudopodia is also enlarged from this side and both sides are going to meet each other. So in the next, just see, food particle is totally ingested inside the body. Now it is in the vacuole. So it is called food vacuole. It is totally inside a vacuole. In this diagram, just see, food is absorbed inside the vacuole because digestive juices are secreted in the food vacuole. So it is here digested. After digestion, it is sent out from the body. That is known as egestion. So this was the first part of nutrition in animals. We will meet in next part. Till then, bye bye.